The process of intake of oxygen in exhalation of carbon dioxide is breathing rate, breathing, respiration, none of this. And the answer is breathing. The process of intake of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide is breathing. Ribs move down and inward to decrease space in chest cavity during inhalation, exhalation, respiration, transportation. And the answer is exhalation. Ribs move down and inward, decrease space in chest cavity during exhalation. In cockroaches, air enters the body through lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. And the answer is spiracles. In cockroach, air enters the body through spiracles. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in leg due to accumulation of carbon dioxide, lactic acid, alcohol, water. And the answer is lactic acid. During heavy exercises, we get cramps in leg due to accumulation of carbon dioxide. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person is 9 to 12, 15 to 18, 21 to 24, 30 to 33. And the answer is 15 to 18. Normal breathing rate per minute of an average adult person is 15 to 18. During exhalation, the ribs move outwards, move downwards, move upwards, don't move at all. And the answer is move downwards. During exhalation, the ribs move downwards. During inhalation, the ribs move outwards, move downwards, move upwards, do not move at all. And the answer is move upwards. During inhalation, the ribs move upwards. In fish, air enters to the body through lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. And the answer is gills. In fish, air enters the body through gills. Earthworm respire through lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. And the answer is skin. Earthworms respire through skin. The energy giving process is respiration, transpiration, evaporation, none of this. And the answer is respiration. The energy giving process is respiration. Which disease is linked to smoking? Malaria, cholera, typhoid, lung cancer. And the answer is lung cancer. Lung cancer is linked to smoking. The air tube present in insects are spiracles, trachea, gills, none of this. And the answer is the air tube present in insects are trachea. The reason of cramps in legs is acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, lactic acid, trachea. And the answer is lactic acid. The reason of cramps in legs is lactic acid. In mammals, the respiratory organ is gills, spiracles, trachea, lungs. And the answer is lungs. In mammals, the respiratory organ is lungs. Which one of following is an abiotic organism? Yeast, crow, ant, dog. And the answer is yeast. Yeast is an abiotic organism. The percentage of carbon dioxide in inhalation is 4.4 percentage, 0.4 percentage, 14.4 percentage, 44 percentage. And the answer is 4.4 percentage. The percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaled air is 4.4. The size of chest cavity increase during respiration, inhalation, transpiration, none of this. And the answer is inhalation. The size of chest cavity increase during inhalation. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as gills, lungs, chest, none of this. And the answer is lungs. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as lungs. The end products of abiotic respiration is alcohol, carbon dioxide, both A and B, none of this. And the answer is both A and B. The end product of abiotic respiration are both carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. These organisms survive in absence of air are known as Aerobic, anaerobic, earthworm, none of this. And the answer is anaerobic. Those organisms survive in absence of air are known as anaerobic. Respiration taking place in cells is breathing, cellular respiration, transpiration, evaporation. And the answer is cellular respiration. Respiration taking place in cells is cellular respiration. The end products of abiotic respiration are carbon dioxide, water and energy, both A and B, none of this. And the answer is both A and B. The end product of anaerobic respiration are both carbon dioxide and water and energy. The muscles of legs can be relieved by massaging, running, exercising, sleeping. And the answer is massaging. The muscles of legs can be relieved by massaging. Size of chest cavity decreases during inhalation, breathing, exhalation, respiration. And the answer is exhalation. The size of chest cavity decreases during exhalation. Which part of nose presents the passage of smoke dust inside the body? The hair, nose cavity, nostrils, none of these. And the answer is hair. Hair of nose prevents the passage of smoke dust inside our body.